Hello. Welcome to CC 110, Introduction to Computing. My name is Professor Safia Malalla, and I'm the main instructor for this course. This course is online based, where it's use Canvas tools, and I would assume all of you by now have the username and the password to access Canvas, because you're watching this video. So this is going to be the first page when you access, where it's the home page. You can see that there is a menu here, and then the menu has the main links that you're going to use through the semester. The home page will include any recent announcements, what is the to-do list, and some of the main links that you're going to need through the semester. In the semester, we're providing you with the content, where the contents are organized in a sequence, where you're going to need to go over those sequence one by one and finish the task to complete this course. Some of the tasks would be as in reading, some of them would be discussion, where you're going to participate in discussions and also in quizzes. There is 16 weeks, 16 to 17 weeks in the semester, where we're going to cover around 22 chapters. So the first page is showing you the content, the course contents. All that can be found under the modules, where you can find them here on the left in the menu, which is this one. Every week, there will be at least one announcements with what you need to cover and if there is anything I'm trying to communicate. So all those announcements can be found under the announcement sections. In addition to the modules where like you're gonna need to go through sequence of things, there's also the courses schedule where you can find the link here. I'm gonna click on them in a bit. I'm just want to show you what's the homepage include. Also, this course is not only taught by me, also there's an army of TAs. All of them are here to support you. So to reach us all at the same time, we have a specific email that you need to use to reach all of us, which is cc110-help. Feel free to copy it and email this email. All of us gonna receive your email and we're gonna try our best to answer you as fast as we can. We have a lot of students in this course, so it's more convenient for us if you send to this email so all of us can support you. And in addition of that, we have this calendar where you can see the TAs. The TAs will provide some in-person and some online office hours. To get those details, when you click on the TA, you will find their name. You will find the time, the location, and also check the announcements if there's any cancellations. This time or this schedule are subject to change. So make sure to check before reaching the TAs or me. There are two main TAs are assigned to this class, but also there's a lot of other TAs who are also here to help you. You just need to give them more context about your questions or about the homework. However, for the two TAs, they are familiar with the content itself, and you can see that by clicking here. You will see whether they are assigned directly to this class or they're assigned to a different class, but they are here to help you. Any name here, that's mean you are able to reach them out for help, including my email. If you want to reach me for specific things that's not specific related to a homework, something private, feel free to schedule an appointment with me. Also, if you need more help, you can schedule also an appointment with me through this link. So this is the homepage. If you want more links that you think this is going to help you to reach faster and your experience would be more efficient in Canvas, please reach me out and I will gladly update the homepage for you. Okay, and now let's start it with the module, which is exactly the same of this link. So the module will include all the contents that we are going to cover, which is around 22 chapters. So you will find a box, and each box will include a subtask that you need to finish. So this week, we expect you to finish chapter 0, and because you're watching this video, that's mean you're in the right direction. So there is those tasks that you need to finish. And then also you will see all the chapters but the chapters are not clickable and you can expand them or close them. Unclickable mean they are either not published or you didn't finish the task ahead. So you're gonna start by clicking here, which is the first assignment, which is watching this video. After watching this video, make sure you mark as done. If you don't mark it as done and you try to progress, it's not gonna allow you because you need to finish the task on sequence. So here it's gonna tell you go back and finish it. So every time you see this message by asking you to go back, you can check here. It tell you exactly what you need to do. So let's go back and let's mark this video as done. When you do that, if you go to module again, there is a circle here. If the circle is empty, that means you didn't mark it as done. So you need to do that to progress. So mark as done. Next, it will take you to the second one. And if we go here to the module, you will see here that there is like check mark. That's mean yes, you covered this task. Okay, let's go to the second one, which is the schedule. We have the schedule that include all the topic that we're gonna cover and the start and the due dates for each assignments. So this week you have those topics to cover, and then they all due Friday. And you can see all the course contents. This is subject to change based on the student feedback, the student need, and any circumstances that could happen. So please check that regularly. There is also another way to check the due dates. When you go and you click on calendar, the calendar will show you all the due dates here and the time. So make sure also you check the calendar for the due dates. When you finish from the schedule, you're going to progress to the next one, which is the syllabus. And in the syllabus, you will find the information how to contact me. My office, feel free to come to me to my office. If you're in Canvas, I give free candy. I have tons of free candies in my office, so please come by. It's 2161 Engineering Hall. And for the time, you can find the time in the calendar. And if you want to meet me, usually I meet the student using this Zoom link. If you want to schedule times more than the time we provide in the Canvas, in the Google Calendar, please do that through this links. Don't use the email features here, which is going to inbox and send email from here, because I don't receive those emails into my email always. There is a delay. So please email this link and CC safia@ksu.edu. If you send an email, expect 24 business hours for me to reply. Specifically for Fridays, expect my reply to be on Monday. As I mentioned and I explained the office hours, it's the same here. There's no prerequisite for this course. There's two main TAs assigned to this course, and there's other TAs that also here to help you. Also, there's an online tutoring system where you can use. All the information gonna be found here. What we're gonna cover a lot of theoretical concepts and history about computer science. This is gonna give you a brief introduction what is computer science, and every chapter will consider a topic within the field of computer science. The grading system, 80% would be lectures and quizzes, and 20% discussions. And we are using the standard scale, which is 90, 80, 70, 60. You have 2 free day through the semester. What does that mean? That's mean if something happened, if life happened, and you need an extension, feel free to send me an email in advance asking for the extension. You can have up to 2 extensions for this semester without a doctor note or without a proper documents. And if your assignment is late, we can accept up to 3 days, and every day you will be deducted 10%, and after the 3 days, it would be zero if you don't reach us in advance. Um, we're gonna drop the two lowest grades. What does that mean? That's mean at the end of the semester, the two lowest grades will not be counted toward your GPA. Um, if something happened, if life happened and you need incomplete policy, check those rules and regulation if you're a CC student. And you need to contact Student Life in advance and work with me. And please reach me out. I'm here to help you. There is no specific textbooks. All the content will be embedded in the modules in the Canvas. So we will share with you the links, the videos, the text you need to do. And remember, everything is subject to change. And if you manage to find a bug in the content, and if you email me that, you can earn a bonus point for catching a bugs or sending or sharing recommendations or enhancements or feedback. If you manage to find these two, you will can earn a bonus points up to 10 bonus points. Um, no cheating, no ChatGPT. We can detect that. Um, and if you need any extra help, please reach me out also in advance. My office is a safe zone. Please come to me anytime you need any help. Uh, for the grading, usually we start grading 4 days after the assignments to give the students enough time who ask for extension. So expect your grades within a week after submitting. When you receive your assignments, your grading, if you want to clarify, if you want to ask questions, feel free to reach me out. I will gladly explain that for you. And wish you the best of luck.